You're only installing a mailbox or digging a shallow trench at a construction site. Do you really need to call 811? The answer is yes. Any digging requires contacting your state's 811 service, either by calling 811 from anywhere in the U.S. or by making your request through your state's 811 website. When you call 811, you're automatically connected to a representative from your state. They'll ask you simple questions about the location and details of your digging project. If you make your request online, you'll enter the same information into a form. Either way, you'll receive a ticket number and instructions for how much time the utilities have to respond to your request, as well as how to confirm that all utilities have responded before you can safely dig. No matter how small your project may seem, remember that calling 811 first is the best way to keep yourself and your community safe.